Today I want to show you something a little different, something that's all about classic style. This is the CJRB Bowie Pyrite and it is a stunner. First off, let's talk looks. This knife is very good looking. The combination of a rich wood handle and the handsome brass bolsters just screams traditional quality. When you pick it up, you immediately notice the weight, that it's 3.8 ounces. You know you have a solid, very well-made knife in your hands. It feels substantial, not cheap or flimsy. Under the hood, you're looking at a 3.11-inch AR RPM9 steel blade with a gorgeous classic Bowie profile. It's a great slicer and holds a nice edge. Crucially, this is a traditional slip joint pocket knife. That means non-aggressive locks, making it highly pocket-friendly. Because of the fit and finish, this knife isn't just a tool, it's a pleasure to carry. It's the kind of knife that feels like a piece of gear that's going to last for a long time. So if you're looking for an EDC knife that blends top-tier modern steel with a timeless, weighty, and generally good-looking aesthetic, the Bowie Pyrite is one you absolutely need to check out. It's got that old-school feel with the new-school performance.